Hey guys, Coach D here. Today what we're going to learn in the garage gym is how to do a seated row. So we got the neutral grip today for you. Our big emphasis is going to be our back muscles right in here. So this is horizontal rowing. We're trying to work on our back and our rhomboids in the middle here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit on my DC blocks right here. I'm going to put my feet up on the edge of the bench here, and I'm going to reach down to grab the neutral grip handles. We want to start with our shoulders above our hips, so they're in a neutral line, chest up, and what I'm going to do is pull my shoulders back and squeeze them together, and then pull the bar to my belly button, and then repeat. Fully relax the shoulders, chest back up, squeeze the shoulders, and pull down. Now if you're really good, you can actually lean into it and get more work through that back. All right, guys, that's our seated row neutral grip.